Good day, Miss. Let me introduce myself. My name is Afiza Ashari Darmawan. I am from class XB. What would happen if you stopped sleeping? The amount you need depends on your age. A newborn baby makes sleep 20 hours a day, while a 4 years old might need only 12 hours. The average for 10 years old is 10 hours a day, and most adults seem to need 7 to 9 hours of sleep a night. And the average senior citizen can often get by with just 6 hours a day. Whatever amount you need, you know you feel great after a good night of sleep. But why is that? Does anything important happen during sleep? Yes, scientists have found that 2 key things happen during sleep. Growth hormone in children is great and chemical important to the immune system are secret. If you don't get enough sleep, you're more prone to disease. And child's growth can be stunted by sleep deprivation. Beyond the immune system and growth hormone factor, no one really knows why is that we sleep. But there are all kinds of theories, including the following. For one, sleep gives the body a chance to repair muscles and other tissues, replace aging or dead cells. Also, sleep gives the brain a chance to organize recharging the brain. And finally, in very early times, sleep made sense in that people could not really do anything in the day anyway. So, they make as well turn off and save the energy. A good way to understand why you sleep is to look at what happens when we don't get enough. If you've ever fallen in all-nighter, you know that missing one night of sleep isn't fatal. A person will generally be irritable during the next day and will become tired easily or will be totally wired because of adrenaline. If a person misses 2 nights of sleep, it gets worse. Concentration is default and attention span falls by the wayside. Mistakes increase. After 3 days, a person will start to hallucinate and clear thinking is impossible. With continued wakefulness, a person can lose grip on reality. A person who gets just 5 hours of sleep per night can experience many of the same problems over time. It only takes 3 days of sleep deprivation to cause a person to hallucinate. Obviously, if you've ever to go for a longer period of time, the symptoms would worsen and in time would most like prefer battle. Rest forced to stay awake continuously will eventually die, proving that sleep is definitely essential. So, unless you were being forced to stay awake, you'd probably fall asleep before something as drastic as that could happen. It's interesting to know that some people can function on very little sleep if necessary. A portion of Navy SEAL's rigorous training program is a good example of this phenomenon. During a particularly rigorous week of training, the trainers must engage in highly physical activities for about 6 days. All of their hard work is accomplished on about 4 hours of sleep for the entire week.